Good day to our learners. Welcome to our channel, Sir Lopez Vlog. And in today's video, we are going to determine the percentage of accuracy of what we had last meeting with respect to our shooting activity. Okay, so take hold of your target paper and let us going to compute your score. Okay, so this is the target paper. If you notice, there are 6 rings. Okay? The inner ring is scored as 10, followed by 9, 8, 7, 6, and 5. Okay, all outside our ring will going to score as 4. Okay, so dahil hindi siya kasama dito sa ating score sheets, kung ang bullet na tumama ay wala dito sa ring, bibigyan nyo na lang ng score na 4. Okay, let us going to compute. So if you notice, itong sample natin dito, kanyang bullet ay tumama sa inner ring. Okay, so this is already scored as 10. Okay, tumama rin ito. Considered na rin ito sa inner ring. So another 10. Okay, ito naman ay tumama sa ring number 9. So this is 9, 9, then 9, 9, and 9. Okay, so there were 5 9s. Then meron din siyang isang 8. Yan. So i-compute natin ito. Ito-total natin dalawang 10, then 5 9, at isang 8 for the total of 73. Okay, 73 points. Let us repeat, dalawang 10, 5 9, at isang 8 ang kanyang tinamaan. So, ito-total natin yan. Okay, you will going to add, and ang na-compute natin ay for the total points of 73. Now, let us take the accuracy percentage. Paano natin ito i-compute? 50 divided by 80 times your score. Okay, 50 divided by 80 times score, which is 73, plus 50, ang lalabas is 95.6%. So yun na yung ating accuracy percentage, 95.6. Ulitin natin, paano kukunin yung 73 points niya? Kukunin natin yung accuracy percentage by number 1, 50 divided by 80 times the score. Okay, the score niya is 73 plus 50, ang lalabas dito is 95.6. Ganon natin kukunin ang accuracy percentage as a result of our shooting activity. Ngayon, you are going to compute your own and submit the result using the link na nandito sa ating description box. For the criminology students, only use the link for the criminology students, and other courses use the link that is specified for you. Okay? Have a nice day.